Den der foran, den har også
So far, you won't get as much as thousand back.
Which one? Which one's your
Texas, Web Forest Stockyards, National Historic District. We are so glad you folks are with us on this very nice Thursday morning, or as I like to call it, so happy it's Thursday. Somebody will figure that acronym out later. All right. We have some safety protocol we got to take, and they're big. They range in size anywhere from 1,000 pounds up all the way up to over 2,400 pounds. We have 3 that weigh over a ton. You got a sheepdog because they want the herd livestock. That's what they do. That's their natural instinct. Even if they've never done it in their life, all of a sudden it just seems that gene just seems to kick in, and they got to go out and assist. We don't worry about cats. Photographers, do all of your photography thing. We love it when you guys come out here and take care.
Den læner sit horn op på ryggen af. Det er lige nok det, den kan ikke gå.
Shopping, you need to get a new cowboy hat, you want some boots, and all the things in between, this is the place to do it. We hope to see you guys at 4 p.m. today, because we're going to do this.
Listen to me, it's very safe. You won't move. You don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Okay?